everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Reeti and I am back with another lecture in the SQL series. So in the last lecture we got to know more about update and the delete command. In this particular video we would be knowing more about the select command in SQL. So without any further ado, let's get started. So whenever we want to retrieve data from our table, we use this select command. So select command is a DQL command, that is data query language command. It is basically used to retrieve data from the database. So whenever we want to get or we want to retrieve some data from the database, we use this select command. Now we can provide specific columns from which we want to retrieve data. Either we can retrieve all the data which is present into our table. So there are two queries which we can use. First one is select. Then we provide all the columns which we want to see or which data we want to see. So we will provide the column name, column 1 name, column 2 name, and then we will provide from, and then we will provide the table name, like the table name from which we want to retrieve the data. So it will retrieve the data present in a specific column in a table. Then there is another query which is select star from table name. So this star basically means all the columns which is present into our table. So this star basically means all. So whenever we want to see all the data which is present in our table, we use this select star and then we provide the table name. So it helps us to retrieve all the data which is present in our table. So let's just see the example of select. So consider the first example where I want to only see the name and age of an employee from the employee table. So I'll use select. And then I'll provide the column names from which I want to see the data. So first one is name, second one is age, and then I will provide the table name. So the table name is employee. And then I'll just execute this query. So this is a success query, and here you can see that I can only see the name and age. So this employee table is having more columns, but as of now I've told that I want to only retrieve the data from the name and age which is present in the employee table. So basically it helps us to retrieve data from some specific column. If you want to retrieve the data, like the entire data which is present in this particular table, so we give select star, which is basically pronounced as all, and then we give from, and then we provide the table name which is employee. And whenever we execute this, we can see the entire data which is present in all the columns. So basically you have seen that in the earlier videos also we were using this particular command select star from which was helping us to see all the details or all the data which is present into the table. So select command help us to retrieve all the data or some of the data which is present into the table. So this was all about the select command in this particular video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, can go ahead and watch out the tech content first. And if you like it, can go ahead and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my social media handles because there I regularly post about some resources or the job openings and much more things. So till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.